They may not strike you as extraordinary vegetables, but these potatoes are pioneering survivors that thrived in salty ground.
In the first year we found these results. We didn't tell anybody because we thought we were doing something wrong. Now it's not possible that we have a potato that can grow so well under salty conditions, while the rest of the world believes that they should be dead already.
The experiment was conducted on the agriculturally rich island of Texel. Locals tell us there are as many sheep as there are humans here. Arjen takes us to the plot where other fruits and vegetables are now being tested for their salt tolerance.
It has these beautiful crystals on the leaves. It makes it to have a really interesting texture and really interesting taste. The taste becomes more sweet rather than more salty. They taste a little bit of salt as well, but it's especially the aromas that change.
The Netherlands already has a packed